How does Starlink avoid satellite collisions in orbit? Imagine thousands of tiny satellites dancing around Earth, each moving at incredible speeds. How do they avoid bumping into each other in such a busy space? That's what we're here to find out. Starlink, a satellite internet service from SpaceX, keeps its satellites safe with a smart, automated system. Every satellite has onboard thrusters and special software that can perform collision avoidance maneuvers on its own. When a potential close approach with another satellite or space debris is predicted, the satellite can adjust its orbit quickly without waiting for instructions from Earth. This rapid response helps prevent accidents before they happen. Starlink constantly checks the positions of its satellites against other objects in space. It uses up-to-date orbital data and advanced algorithms to predict where everything will be in the future. If a satellite detects a possible conjunction or close approach, it plans a maneuver to stay clear. These checks happen all the time, so the system is always aware of potential risks. Starlink also uses very cautious safety standards. While NASA suggests moving satellites if there's a 1 in 10,000 chance of collision, Starlink acts at a much lower risk level of 1 in 1 million. This means they prefer to be extra careful and avoid even tiny risks of collision. Another key part of their strategy is working with other satellite operators. Starlink shares orbital data and uses special tools to see if their satellites might conflict with others. This cooperation helps everyone stay safe and coordinate maneuvers when needed. Because of the large number of satellites in the constellation, Starlink satellites perform tens of thousands of avoidance maneuvers every 6 months. For example, in just half a year, they carried out nearly 50,000 maneuvers. That's about 14 per satellite on average. This frequent activity shows how proactive and cautious they are. Starlink also uses sophisticated path planning algorithms. These help design the safest and fastest routes for satellites to change altitude or position. If new information about other objects becomes available, the system can quickly replan the satellite's path to keep a safe distance. SpaceX works with agencies like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and NASA to improve collision avoidance technology. They also develop new methods to better understand space traffic and reduce risks. All these efforts allow Starlink to operate thousands of satellites in low Earth orbit while keeping space safe. The automated system makes quick decisions and maneuvers that would be impossible to manage manually. Of course, as more satellites launch and space gets busier, managing collision risks becomes more challenging. Each maneuver adds some uncertainty to satellite tracking, which can make future predictions harder. That's why ongoing improvements in space traffic management and regulations are so important. In the end, Starlink's collision avoidance system combines smart onboard technology, careful risk assessment, constant monitoring, and teamwork with other operators. This way, they keep their satellites safe and ensure reliable internet service for users around the world.